G'day, Michelle Vowitz here, and this is my PowerSeries Beginner Bass Lessons number 2B for the absolute novice beginner. Now, we're going to have a look at the exercise 3 and the riff that we learned in that particular one, and we're going to apply it to a 12-bar blues progression. Now, the 12-bar blues is what a lot of musicians use to communicate with each other, and let's get into a little bit more detail with exercise 3. Now, the progression will be as such 4 times through the pattern starting on the A string, that pattern is over 1 bar or a measure, and it is made up of 8 notes per measure. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what we've got is 4 bars on the A string riff. Then we go through 2 bars on the D string, then twice on the A string, starting on the A string, once starting on the E string, once starting on the D string, and then we do a modified pattern of the A string riff, and then we do a link bar starting on the E string, bottom E string. So let's go into more detail, because we haven't gone through the modified pattern on the A string at this stage. So to do the modified pattern, which is on the 11th bar of the sequence, we do 2 notes on the open A string, 2 notes on the 4th fret on the A string, 2 notes on the open D string, 2 notes on the 1st fret on the D string, 4 notes on the 2nd fret on the D string, and then 2 notes on the bottom string, 1 note on the 3rd fret on the E string, 1 note on the 4th fret on the E string, and then finish with the pattern. Then we start the pattern again. So this is the way it's going to sound all the way through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, modified A, okay. Now, the idea is to get the changes between the different starting notes smooth, so that there's no hesitation between the notes of each riff pattern, to get the change between the different positions of the starting note nice and smooth, and to get the whole thing in so that you can play it and keep time all the way through. Now, I just want to recap on some of the concepts that we've learnt during this lesson, and the first one of those, which is the concept of bars. So in this particular sequence, 1 bar is a series of 8 notes, and they're actually 8th notes, funnily enough. Also, we're going we're playing in a particular key. We started on the A note, which is on the A string. So the key of this particular piece is the key of A. And the other thing that I just wanted to get across was the concept that we're going through a set of chord changes. So we're going through a set of 4 on the A, 2 on the D, 2 on the A string, 1 on the E, 1 on the D, 1 on the A, and then finishing on the E chord for the last bar. Okay, I hope this has been helpful for you. This is Michelle Lawrence from the land of Oz, Uru, and I'll see you again. Bye for now.